Plants in pots at this time of the year, you need to watch carefully. Agapanthus particularly, they're not as hardy as people think. They got a very fleshy root, and if the roots, that fleshy bit of root gets frosted heavily, they will actually just fall apart and become a just soft mess. You may remember we looked at this one before, and you can see we pulled a lot of the old dead yellow leaf away from it. But now look, what did I tell you? I'd give you an update on the flower. And there's an update on the flower. Yeah, look at it, it's trying to flower. Now what the dickens is going on? I tell you, the world is upside down when it comes to gardening. And you can see, even if you look down here, there's a few new shoots. Now I'll just point one out to you. There, look at that, that's a new shoot. So if we get cold and frosty weather, with a pot like this that's got this Agapanthus in it, what you need to do is bubble wrap the pot, because that's where the cold will come in from. It'll come in from that side down here. It'll come in from down round there. You need to put bubble wrap around there and then cover the top with something like fleece. And that will really keep your Agapanthus in good condition and really rearing to go when it comes to spring. But in the meantime, I'll keep you updated on whether this Agapanthus achieves actually growing, flowering through the winter period. Watch the weather carefully, especially that I'm talking about a plant in the south of England. You might be in Scotland, where it's been a blooming sight colder. For more information about the Agapanthus and more gardening, go to worldradiogardening.com.